memorable experience?
So, most memorable experience during my stay in Cravings. I I think I have so many memorable experience I've encountered here in company. For 15 years, I stay here in company. So I I've encountered a lot of people, my co-peers. Um, they are the one who give me inspiration in doing my prescribed job. What else?
Most important lesson that you have learned during your stay here at Craving?
Important lesson, simple, just very simple lesson. I learn how to uh, give and just give and take, teach and learn. That's a simple lesson. I know how to ako lagi pa simple lang ang na kailangan marunong kang mag unawa at umintindi kapwa mo, and saka leadership yun na most I think it's a memorable experience. That's it.
People who influence your life?
People who influence my life, first my family, my ticketings, my superior, my co-employee, my co-peers, student within my designation area, like you people around with me. That's it.
Thank you, Chef.
Ano